In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Google Analytics to Stan Store. Connecting these two is a really simple process, but it's also very powerful. Once everything is set up, you'll be able to track who's visiting your store, where they're coming from, and how they're interacting with your products and pages. That information can help you make smarter decisions about your content, your offers, and your marketing. Let's start inside your Stan Store account. Go ahead and log in using your usual details. Once you're on your main dashboard, look toward the lower left-hand corner of the screen. You should see an option labeled Settings. Click on that. When the settings page loads, you'll automatically land on the Profile Settings tab. You don't need to switch tabs for this process. Everything we need will be right here on this page. Take a moment to scroll down slowly so you don't miss anything. As you scroll, look for a section labeled Analytics. This is where Stan Store lets you connect external tracking tools, including Google Analytics. Within this Analytics section, you'll see a field labeled Google Analytics ID. Just below that label, there's an empty text field where your ID will go. Before you paste anything in, make sure you have your Google Analytics ID ready. This is the measurement ID you get from your Google Analytics account, usually starting with a few letters followed by a series of numbers. It's important that you copy it exactly, without any extra spaces at the beginning or the end, so the connection works properly. Now, click inside the text field and paste your Google Analytics ID. Double check that it looks correct and that nothing has been cut off. When you're confident it's right, look for the Update button on the page and click it to save your changes. After you click Update, give it a few moments. Don't navigate away from the page just yet. You should see a small pop-up message appear at the top of the screen confirming that your analytics settings have been updated. That confirmation is your sign that Stan Store has accepted your Google Analytics ID and the connection is now in place. From this point on, your store traffic and activity should begin flowing into your Google Analytics account. It can sometimes take a little while for data to start appearing, so don't worry if you don't see results instantly. Just check back in your analytics dashboard after some time to review your new insights.